When it comes to creating social media clips, there are hundreds of things to consider. It can be hard to keep track. So let's break it down to the top 10 most important things that you should be considering when creating and posting social media clips. And stick around till the end because I'm going to show you the easiest way to create tons of clips from one recording. The first thing you want to consider is that you want to design these properly. This means using the correct aspect ratio for the platform where you're posting, and you also want to design your clip layout in a way where the most important content, like your captions, won't be covered by content on the app. Most apps have in-app captions along the bottom and tools for sharing, liking, and commenting along the side. So that means that you should try to only design within this area of the screen to make sure that your content will be optimized for each platform. Remember to include captions of your video. This is going to do a few things. It will make your video quicker moving, it helps with accessibility and SEO, and it allows you to add some branding to your video, which brings me to my next point. Social media clips is a great way to get your branding in front of an audience. Consider using frames around your video with your brand colors. Make your captions your brand colors and include your logo throughout the clip for brand awareness. Showing your face in social media videos is crucial to building a genuine connection with your audience. When viewers see your face, they can relate to you on a personal level, creating a sense of trust and authenticity. Showing your face also allows you to showcase your personality, expressions, and gestures, which can make your videos more engaging and memorable. You can create one clip and share it on all of the different platforms. Try posting your Instagram reel to other vertical social platforms like Shorts and TikTok. You can even resize your videos to work on other social media sites like LinkedIn and Facebook. Stick around because I'm going to show you how you can easily resize your videos. You can reuse content on various channels, and you can also recycle past content. Think that every reel that you create, you're going to reuse it at least 3 times. Sometimes you can just get low views on a video because the time you posted or it didn't catch the algorithm, so try again. A few weeks later, try posting at a different time and using a different caption. See which works better. To reach more of a range of people, try experimenting with different types of content. Some ideas are get ready with me's, mini daily vlogs, break down a complex topic, show behind the scenes, run a Q&A. Experimenting with different types of content will allow you to connect with more people, and it'll show you what kind of content your audience likes the best. When you are creating your social media clips, try incorporating a brand or a company in your video. Maybe you do a get ready with me using your favorite products, or a vlog where you attend your favorite gym. Or you wear an Adidas sweater in a talking head video. This way, you're going to have the opportunity to tag the brand, and hopefully they will reshare it to their networks, maximizing your reach. At the end of your social media clips, have some sort of call to action. Tell your viewer what you want them to do next, like follow me for more social media tips, or head to the link in my bio to watch the full video. By giving them some sort of action, you're encouraging engagement and it allows you to reach your goals quicker. Now lastly, consistency is key in posting social media clips. If you are doing it so often, you want to make sure that you have a platform that makes it easy. So this means you want to be able to easily record in high quality. Storage online allows you to save space on your phone or computer. Resizing previous recordings for different platforms is essential, and you should also be able to easily brand your video. All of this is easy to do with the best social media video maker on the internet. Let's go through how to use it. You're going to grab your phone and download the free Riverside mobile app. Create an account and log in. You'll record in an online studio, so create one for your social media videos and enter the studio. On this page, you can set up your camera. You'll also want to frame your face in the middle upper portion of the screen. This will allow you to download your final video in whatever aspect ratio you'd like, so landscape, square, or vertical, and your face will be in the center of the frame. Join the studio. If you want to invite somebody to the recording, maybe you're doing a podcast interview or a video testimonial, just invite them with this invite link. When you're ready to record, press record. Now record your video. As I mentioned, this could be a video testimonial, a podcast interview, a case study, a talking head video, anything really. When you're done recording, end the recording. It will upload and you'll have to log into the same Riverside account on the web to access your recordings. In the same studio where you recorded, you'll see your recordings. Select your recording and you'll see that it has been transcribed. You can scroll down and download these files to edit externally, or you can use the Riverside editor. In the editor, you can edit your video by taking out any mistakes or parts that you want removed by using the text-based editor. You can decide on the aspect ratio for the video depending on where you're planning to post it. You can also change the layout if there's more than one person in the recording. You can add a branded frame. You can also add customizable captions, which you can edit in the text-based editor. And don't forget to place these in a spot that will show up on various social media apps. You can also add a logo for brand awareness. Export in up to 4K. The video will export and soon it will be ready to download and post on social media. If you'd like to resize this video, simply duplicate the clip that you just made, and back in the editor, you can change the aspect ratio using the size tool. Now here's the really cool part. This magic clips button will find the most engaging and interesting parts of your video and cut them into short clips that you can either post on social media right away or edit to fit your brand. This means that you get tons of social media content from just one recording to fill up your content calendar. Riverside's got your back for the recording and editing game, making it all extremely easy. So whether you're repurposing, recycling, or just spicing things up, let's get that social media game strong. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you next time.